Hello everybody, so I'm going to do a wee bit of a review of a product, and this is a product that people seem to forget about. Everybody uses Pro Green, or what it's called now Motoverde, for cleaning their bikes. They use the snow foam, they use the bike spray, the green stuff, and they use the aftershine. But everybody seems to forget about this stuff, the air filter cleaner. And up until I discovered this, I was cleaning air filters with petrol. I think most people clean air filters with petrol. Well, Josh was out yesterday practicing on a 65, and he was at a grass track. And the grass track, it was like really dusty, really dry. And this is the air filter that we've been left with. Like, it's that bad, you can't even read the twin air rating on it. It's got that bad. So what I'm going to do here now is I'm going to give it just a quick wash with the Motoverde air filter cleaner. Now, there's different ways of doing it. A quick wash is give it a bit of a rinse with water, spray it down, massage it in, and then give it another rinse with water and leave it. And that's usually what I do. However, with his KTM 50, I have like maybe 15 air filters. So what I would do is wet them, cover them in the air filter cleaner, massage it in, wet them again, rinse it out, then spray them with the air filter cleaner again and put them in a Tupperware box. Then I would leave them in the Tupperware box for about 48 hours or so, and then whenever I come out, I would lift them out and rinse them out, and it gets them, they're like brand spanking new whenever they come out. What I'm going to show you here is basically just a quick clean, and nothing more than that. Just a quick clean to try and get rid of this. Like, this was blue yesterday, and look at it. It's flipping absolutely bogging from one day riding around in the 65. So I'm going to go here and grab the hose and get a bit of a rinse down, bit of a spray. We'll do a bit of a clean, see how it comes out after just a very quick clean, just so you see how good this product actually is. So we have the hose. I do like to do this at the kitchen sink. However, due to reasons beyond my understanding, I'm not allowed to, because apparently the kitchen sink gets filled with sand and dirt and all sorts of stuff, so I have to do it outside. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to give it a quick spray with a hose, then I'm going to spray it with the air filter cleaner. We're going to massage it in, give it another spray with the hose and clean it down, and then we might do a rinse and repeat and do it twice, and just to see how well this comes up. Because look at it, like, look, it is absolutely bogging. So we'll give it a quick spray here with a hose now. So as you can see, after spraying it with a hose, it's still a bit dirty. So we get our Pro Green cleaner, we'll spray the life out of it. And as I said, I always use petrol for cleaning air filters. I thought petrol was the best thing to use, until I discovered this. And it seems to be neglected. Nobody else seems to use it. It's weird. Well, people do use it, but it just doesn't seem to be as popular a product as what their bike wash and snow foam and stuff is. And yet I think this stuff is absolutely brilliant. So we've given that a bit of a spray. What we're going to do now is just massage it in, and it's basically just like soap. So we'll get it in. It turns the soap into a browny colour. You're not spilling petrol all over the place and stinking the place out. That was another reason why I wasn't allowed to clean them in the kitchen, because you were pouring petrol down the drain, and I don't know whether or not you're allowed to do that. So I'm giving it a good rub in round. It basically just turns into a soapy mess, but again, it's Pro Green, so it's salt free. It's not causing any, petrol. From what I hear, you keep using petrol, after a while it starts to eat into your air filters, it starts to destroy the foam and whatever else air filters are made out of, the stuff that they're getting into your engine. So we've given it that there, and we'll give it another bit of a spray down with a hose. soaking the place. I'll rinse that off my hands there as well. Turn the hose off, and we'll give it a rinse out. Rinse out. Still didn't get all the Pro Green right out of it, so what we'll do is we'll give it another quick spray. Turn the hose off again, rinse it out, give it a bit of a ring. Look at that. Look. There's not even any of the blue residue left from the air filter oil spray stuff that I spray on, or well, I like to use the spray because it's handier. Some people like to use the stuff you pour on. I like to use a spray, but there's not even any of that left, and that's only after one go. I could probably go again, but I don't think it needs it. Let's clean that side. Clean that side. You can read the brand. All I need to do now is just set it on the window ledge around there and let it dry out. So, Pro Green air filter cleaner. An absolutely amazing product, and so much better than petrol. And just spray it on, give it a bit of a squidge in, massage it in, and that's how your air filters are coming out. And you've seen how dirty that was at the start. So it's definitely got a 10 out of 10 from me, without a doubt. My wee man uses it, you know. His 50 filters don't get that bad, but as I say, yesterday at the grass track, he was practicing on a 65, learning gears and clutch, and that was the air filter today. Whenever I opened it up to take a look at it, I thought I may as well do this quick review and show you how good a product this actually is. Thanks for watching.